Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to draw notes in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of GarageBand where you can find all the instruments you can play, you can get started with opening on the audio recorder and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how we can get started with drawing notes. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the instrument that you want to draw the notes for. So as you can see, let's go ahead and open up the keyboard right here. So once we have opened up our keyboard, this is going to open up this recording menu where we can go ahead and get started playing our notes. With the big red circle at the top of the screen, we can get started with the recording process. So go ahead and record your song that you want to draw notes for. So after clicking on the option to record and stopping the recording, now it's going to appear in the edit mode right here. In the upper left corner, that's going to open up the track mixing mode where we can find all the tracks we have created. And once you can see you have your track right here, which is our grand piano, then now we can get started with editing. So if you click on the track right here, it's going to open up the menu, and one of the options in the menu is called edit. So you want to click on edit. So basically guys, the only option that you have on GarageBand on mobile is to go ahead and open up the edit mode and to find the notes that you have right here. So you can see here we can find all the notes we have played, and what you can do is go ahead and enter in the notes right here. And if you're not satisfied, you could go ahead and record it again to take a look at your notes, because the GarageBand mobile application doesn't have a direct way to draw your notes. You have to play them. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.